Welcome back, boys and girls. So yesterday we worked on parts of speech. We worked on nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Today we're just going to work on nouns and verbs, but it's a little bit different. You have to come up with your own sentences to use these correctly. And so I'm going to be looking not only that you use the word as either a noun or a verb correctly, but I'm also going to be looking that you wrote a full sentence and not a fragment, and that your sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a period, right? And it has to have a subject and a predicate, because if it doesn't, then it's not a sentence. It's usually a fragment. So make sure that you have a complete thought down for your sentence. All right, so boys and girls, let's take a look at the word break. Break. When I think of break, I always think of the verb break. You're going to break something, right? However, break can also be used as a noun. All right, so let's take a look. If I wanted to write a sentence using break as a noun, maybe I would say, we took a break from studying. Break is the thing you took. Break. Okay? However, if I wanted to use it as a verb, I might use it as an action. Did you break the cup? Break would be the action. Now, I want you to pay very special attention to both of these, because in the noun sentence, we took a break from studying. I used break as the thing or the object in the sentence. However, notice I started the sentence with a capital letter and I ended it with a period. The same thing for the verb. When I used it as a verb, I also started my sentence with a capital letter, but what did I end it with? Correct, boys and girls, I ended it with a question mark because I asked a question. Did you break the cup? So when you are thinking of your own sentences, if you ask a question, make sure you end it with a question mark. All right, a statement is ending with a period. All right, let's take a look at the next one, practice. I want you to go get a piece of paper and I want you to try to write a word or a sentence for practice as a noun and practice as a verb. Pause the video and go get your stuff. All right, welcome back, boys and girls. You've got your paper and pencil now, and I want you to think of the word practice. Write down a sentence using the word practice as a noun and practice as a verb. Pause the video and start it back up when you're done. All right, boys and girls, I used practice as baseball practice. Baseball practice has been canceled. Practice is the thing, all right? It's the event, so it is a noun. However, I practiced my speech this morning. Practiced means I did something, so therefore it's a verb. It's an action. And again, I started my sentences with capital letters and ended with a period. Now you can try the word light, wreck, and milk. Pause the video and try writing a sentence for the word for a noun and a verb for light, wreck, and milk. Start it back up when you're ready. All right, welcome back, boys and girls. You should have 6 sentences written down. 2 for light, 2 for wreck, and 2 for milk. I would love to read your sentences, but I'm going to show you some of my examples. Now, there are many ways to use these as a noun or a verb, so your sentences may be a little bit different. You might want to show them to your adult in your house to determine if you used it correctly. So let's take a look at noun for light. The light was very bright. So think of the light in your house. That is a thing. The light was very bright. I started with a capital letter and ended with a period. Then we have Violet can light the candles. Well, if Violet is going to light the candles, she is doing something. It is a verb. So therefore, light is an action. Violet is capitalized because it's a proper noun and at the beginning of a sentence, and it ends in a period. Let's look at the last 2 words, wreck and milk. We saw a wreck on the highway. So a wreck would be like a car accident. And that is being used as a noun. Or my brother wrecked his car as an action. It's being used as a verb. Milk, I like to drink milk with cookies. I like to drink milk with cookies. Can you find the verb in that sentence? Well, the verb is drink, right? And milk is the noun. It's the thing that you are drinking. However, how could you use milk as a verb? The farmer will milk the cows each morning. That took me a while to think of, but yep, the farmers do milk the cows, and milk is the action that the farmer is doing. All right, so boys and girls, you are now going to try it on your own. You're going to use the words play, dance, fold, run, wave, and slide. And you need to write 2 sentences for each word. One where the word is being used as a noun, and another where it's being used as a verb or an action. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing, and a verb is an action word, okay? So you have to think of a play as a person, place, or thing, and play as a verb. Now, I will tell you, none of these can be names, okay? You cannot name your cat Play. However, there is something else that the word play is used for that is a noun. Can you think of it? All right, boys and girls, good luck. Turn this into Schoology so your teacher can take a look. And remember, you're not only using the word as a noun and a verb, but you're practicing your sentence structure, starting with a capital letter and ending with proper punctuation. All right, have fun doing grammar. Bye.